Hello everyone, AB is here, and today I am at Holme Crossing, which you can see on the sign there. And if I look to my left, I'm facing north, which leads to Peterborough, York, Newcastle and Edinburgh. If I turn myself the other way, I head towards places like Stevenage, Potters Bar, Haywards Heath and King's Cross. And the gates have just gone down and I'm just waiting for a train. So let's wait for a train or two. And I can hear one now. Have you been on a Zoomer? That's been pretty slow. You must have just had a yellow signal. Must have just gone past one or approaching one. Probably approaching. Probably stopping at Peterborough. And so there's a second one coming, so let's wait for that one. It's probably coming from the north, which is, as I said, off to my left. I can hear it. I think it sounds like a 91. Sorry, I was wrong. It was a Grand Central 180. With the Virgin West Coast coaches, but Grand Central just couldn't be bothered to paint the middle three coaches, so he just painted the two ends. And it looks like there's a third coming. Wow. Must be from the north or south. Remember? Last time, that way's north, that way south. We've got a plane above us. The camera wants to focus, there it is. Let's wait for this third train. And here goes our third one from the north. Here it comes. And that's a Lumo. Oh, we got a fourth. Lucky me. This one has to come from the south. So let's recap. We've had an Azuma. We've had a Grand Central. And we've had a Lumo. It means either we're going to have, if one does appear, a Holme train or a 91. I'm really hoping it's a 91. Especially the Flying Scotsman one, or the Battle of Britain Memorial flight. Or the other army one. I don't know which one that is, but it's the other army one. Here it comes. That's a Pride Lumo. And we've got a fifth by the looks of it. That was it by the looks of it.